Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kind of nervous.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Next page is, you don't have that too much. Oh, there. So, here, so you're gonna do like this. Okay?
What do like that?
Same triangle, 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 and square, square, square. Circle,
Is
circle,
that-
circle, circle. Star, star, star. Can you do that?
Okay, but the teacher didn't say do like that.
That's how I understand it. But answer it later. We will ask Daddy, okay?
I feel so lucky because right now I'm feeling your love. You're the most beautiful on earth. I know it since the day we met.
I know you were not my first love, but I hope that from today, what I feel with you is so much more than I once had. Promise me, my love, don't take another heart. I've been hurt before. No, I know you are not my first love, but I know that from today
We will stay and you will always love me. Mom, look me, I'm fat. Mom, look at me, I'm fat. But can you put this in my bag? Can you put this in my bag, Mom?
You and I were meant to
Mom,
Ikaw talaga, April ka talaga bata na
can you put this in my bag because I'm fat?
No! To no words, no way to speak. I would still be.
Hi guys,
Hi.
my teeth is falling down. Like, hey, look at that.
No. Go there and eat your yogurt. We're gonna go to our bed na, hadi.
Oh, look at this sexy.
Oh, what's sexy about
That yoy.
Aidan, don't do that, Damla. You're tickling me. Go. Eat your yogurt na, hadi. A world to die. Go, eat your yogurt. Hadi. Eat your yogurt. I will eat yogurt also. Hadi.
And tablet.
A little tablet.
herhangi bir riskin altına girmeden Türkiye'deki büyük bir rakam. Ben Gültekin Uysal'ın 2023 14 Mayıs seçimleri sürecinde konuşma yaptığı tek yeri hatırlıyorum.
Nag-ano tayo guys, pahit-pahit lang tayo ng baby ni Murat. Ayun. Kasi masyado daw madumi. Noong nakaraan, ikakalinis pa lang yun eh. Ayun. Ngayon, bibili tayo ng eraser ni Damla. Kasi yung eraser niya, dinala niya sa school. Kasi nawala daw yung eraser niya. Pero alam ko lang doon talaga yun eh. Nakita ko lang yun eh. Kasi lagay ko lang ng eraser niya doon. Tapos siguro din niya makita. Ganon kasi yun si Damle. Walang tiyagang maghanap. Ne zaman para vereceksin şey?
Okul parası.
Aha.
Vallahi normalde şimdiden bugün.
Hayır, o şey Deri Hanım.
Ha o daha belli değil.
50 değil mi ya da 100?
Daha belli şey yapmadılar.
Ha, okay.
Karar vermediler.
Tamam.
Bizim tek sorunumuz.
Kasi nga, Mother's Day, pinag-meetingan na magbibigay ng para pang regalo. Para sa teacher ni Damla. Na, wala pa yung mga mami. Dito tayo sa ano. Titigan nyo yung leeg ko na may libag. Pinaghihilid. Moda.
Moda.
Yes, it's moda.
Ama English the moda.
Yes. Are you excited in Birinci Sınıf Kızı?
Yeah, I can't wait to see. Mama. I know. Mom,
Yes.
I know.
What was that?
Let's check.
It was a motor.
Toy?
Do you want to try ride on motor?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yok biz Erik alacağız dışarıda.
No, I'm playing with a instrument.
I know, but we're just gonna go there for to get three pieces only.
Buradan yetişmiyor mu el?
No. Olmuyor
Okay,
burada.
I'll play with a instrument.
Pwede. Itong puno na to. Yung puno nito. Kuha kami dyan ng ano. Ng plum. Pero hilaw pa. Maasim-asim kasi yung lasa nun. Kaya ayun yung gustong-gusto ni Murat Ajat. Hey. How was your school?
Good.
Good.
Good day.
Good day. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Buraya koyayım mı?
Neredesin?
Buraya.
Evet.